Okay, so at Plasencia, remember we have lots of challenges sometimes, but we always have to think bigger and aim higher. Always, always, no matter what is happening, always think bigger and aim higher. So thank you for that. Moving on to the next slide. All right, so now we are ready for the pledge. And we have Ms. Soriano's class who will be leading us with the Pledge of Allegiance.
And I'm still looking to see if I see them. They're not here yet, but we'll go ahead and share this awesome video.
Please stand up, raise the flag, put your right hand over your heart, ready. Again, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Wonderful job.
Thank you, thank you. Ms. Montañez, if I can ask for your help, Ms. Garcia is on the webinar, but can you push her in?
Yes, absolutely. I'm literally touching the little screen right now to promote her. And there's a little pop-up button that's appearing that says she's being promoted to panelist. So I'm going to try one last resort just in case. Sometimes you just have to not share your screen, and maybe that's how we get this done. All right, Ms. Garcia. Okay, it should have a little sign that says Ms. Garcia is being promoted to panelist. I see it on my end. All right, I don't see it there.
And I also see Ms. Soriano asking questions about.
So that means she's here. So I don't see her name. There we go. El Soriano. Okay. And Ms. Soriano also, let me go ahead and stop sharing. So we should be able to see Ms. Garcia. There's a pop-up that's going to say they're being promoted to a panelist, and Mrs. Soriano being promoted to a panelist as well. Okay, we have Ms. Soriano in, and the only one we're having a hard time with is Ms. Garcia. So we're going to try that one more time, Ms. Garcia. On our end, there's a little button that says you're being promoted as a panelist. Okay. Can we continue, Miss? Okay.
Yes, yes, thank you. We will, I am so sorry, Ms. Garcia.
We're trying here.
But we will continue again. We want to honor everybody's time and, you know, technology. What can we say? So the 4 B's, we need to be safe, we need to be respectful, be responsible, be kind. And we are looking all of the time, boys and girls, we are looking to see who is following these rules or expectations every day. If you're on the yard, if you're on the cafeteria, all the different places, we are looking for those students who are following the 4 B's. Like, for example, we go on to the next slide. Like staying in your assigned seat. When you are in the cafeteria to eat your food, it is so important for you to stay. As you can see on the benches, there are numbers, and you need to sit on your number, the same number every day. That really helps us to keep everybody safe. And that is being responsible. That is a responsibility that we are asking you to continue. So please make sure that you are staying in your assigned seat every day. So thank you, teachers, for helping us with that. Assigning students a number will really help with our exposure management and contact tracing. And it looks like we have a video. Do you want to tell us a little bit about the video?
Yes, Mrs. Garcia wanted to highlight all of the wonderful moments that happen on the recess where everyone is practicing social distancing. So you have here Mrs. Leticia, our beloved community rep, and she does such a great job engaging the kids in a safe play at recess time. And then this second video here, additionally, is Miss Navarro, who every single recess comes out with her hand sanitizer. The kids are at a safe distance. distance, and she is sanitizing their hands as they're getting ready to walk back in after recess, after eating, touching their hands, touching their faces. So Mrs. Garcia just wanted me to highlight that one.
Perfect. Thank you. And another reminder to be safe and responsible is to keep your mask on at all times. Yes, my mask is off right now, but that's because I am by myself in this office. And that's why my mask is off. But as soon as I go back outside, I got my handy mask, and I have lots of different masks in case I lose it. I also have one of my favorite bands. I have I gotta make sure I have different masks because I need to be safe and responsible all the time. So everyone, please be safe and keep your mask on. Okay,
Excellent.
so thank you. Since we're celebrating National Hispanic Heritage Month, here we are highlighting a female astronaut
I
and
love it.
also a Latinx or a Hispanic individual, Ellen Ochoa.
And I believe Mrs. Soriano's students, if you guys could turn on your camera, students are going to be reading just a few sentences about these highlighted Hispanic wonderful examples.
All right.
Ms. Soriano?
Can you hear us?
I can hear you, but we
Okay.
can't see you.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
Go ahead.
Ellen Ochoa, born in Los Angeles, California on May 10, 1958. She is an American engineer, former astronaut, and former director of the Johnson Space Center. She became the first Latina to go to space when she served on a 9-day mission aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery.
Excellent job.
Jason?
Jose Hernandez, born in California on August 7, 1962. He's a former NASA astronaut and an American engineer, assigned to a crew of Space Shuttle mission SPS-128, served as the chief of materials and process branch of Johnson Space Center. His story is inspiring. The son of a Mexican migrant family, he didn't become fluent English until he was 12. Through perseverance, he managed to reach his dream of becoming an astronaut.
Oh, wait, did you skip a slide? Because we had Judith Francisca Vaca. Oh, I guess not. Sorry. Frida Kahlo. Give me 1 second. I guess that's me. I'm going to read it. Frida Kahlo, born in Mexico City on July 6, 1907. She was a Mexican painter known for her many portraits, self-portraits, and works inspired by the nature and artifacts of Mexico. She is considered one of Mexico's greatest artists who began painting after she was severely injured in a bus accident. She also became politically active and married prominent artist Diego Rivera.
Judith Francisca Baca was born on September 20th, 1946. She is an American Chicana artist, activist, and UCLA professor of Chicano studies in the School of Social Sciences and a professor of world art and cultures in the School of Art and Architecture. As a visual artist, Judith Baca is best known for her large-scale public murals. Her art involves extensive community organizing and participation, addressing multicultural audiences.
Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez is a politician and activist. She has served as a member of the U.S. House of Representatives from New York's 14th congressional district since 2019 as part of the Democratic Party.
Thank you to all of Ms. Soriano's students for helping us highlight some of our Latinx people and continue learning about all the contributions from Hispanics into our community and of course our country. So I challenge you to continue learning about all of these amazing people. And so as we continue to celebrate this Hispanic heritage, we ask you to come dressed in your cultural attire this coming Wednesday. So I look forward to everyone being a part of this celebration on Wednesday. All right, Ms. Uris, you want to tell us about this?
Yes, we are going to be selling school shirts. Please look at the slide. You'll see that we've got a design with the tiger on the front and the back. We have the sale coming soon. Ms. Montañez, can you remind me, does it start this week or next week? You're muted. Unmute yourself. Okay. Ms. Montañez, you're muted. We will announce when it's officially started. Fingers crossed it will start today. We'll let your teachers know. We'll put it on Facebook, Schoology, your Schoology course, everywhere so you guys can see that.
Perfect. Thank you. Next slide. So again, we are celebrating college awareness. So every Monday, everyone, we encourage you to wear your college gear. See, we're all showing our college gear. Miss Montañez has like multiple colleges because her son just started college. She went back to college. And so there's so much to celebrate. Thank you, Miss Montañez. Look at that. UCLA, Colorado State. It's like so much to celebrate. And not just wear your college attire, but start looking. What is it that you need to be in order to be able to go to college? You got to make sure that you are doing your dibbles, that you are doing your Amplify reading, because we need to make sure that you have all of the skills and the grades for you to be successful to go to college. So the work begins now. So every Monday we celebrate this. And I don't know what happened to our slideshow.
That was it. That was the end of our slideshow.
Thank you. So every Monday, everyone, let's do that. Miss Uris has another announcement.
Yes, surprisingly, we have another day off this week on Thursday. So Thursday is Yom Kippur, a Jewish holiday. So there is no school on Thursday, but we do have school on Friday.
Yes, and we will announce it because it was on our slideshow. If we can refresh our slideshow.
Yeah, I think there were some things that were moved around a bit, but here we go. I found it
It's
now.
on our slideshow. There it is. Just to remind everyone, there is we have a day off, and we do have a little bit of attendance reminder from Miss Gama as well. I don't know if Miss Gama is on the.
Let me see if I can
panelist.
find
I need
her.
to add her as a
Yes, she is. Okay, Miss Gama, I'm promoting you to panelist, so hopefully you can chime in.
So we can go to the next slide.
There she is. She is here. Yay,
all
it worked
right,
for
so-
her.
If you can go to the next slide.
Sure thing.
Thank you. Next, there we go.
Okay.
And then right there. Thank you. Miss Gama, good morning. Happy Monday.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, teachers, students, staff. I hope everyone has had a great restful weekend. All right. So real quick about attendance, please remember, attendance is definitely the key to learning and success. La asistencia es la clave al aprendizaje y al éxito. So how are we doing with attendance at Plasencia? Oops.
Is it skipping one?
Yeah.
Okay, let me go back.
All right, there we go. So students, this week, our attendance actually dropped. Wah, wah, wah.
Oh,
And
no.
so, la asistencia bajó esta semana. So we are, we do want to make sure that you are attending school if you are feeling well and healthy. If you do not have, the symptoms for your daily pass. If you do have those symptoms, we definitely want you to stay home so that you can get strong and healthy. But we also want you to attend as much as possible. So if it's not for health reasons, then we definitely want you to be in school. So, estudiantes, como dije, la asistencia bajó un poquito esta semana y claro que queremos que vengan a la escuela solo si se sienten saludables, si están bien, si no tienen los síntomas requeridos para el pase de cada día. Pero si no es por esa razón, queremos que estén aquí en la escuela todos los días. Okay, and so we don't have the reports up on the slides today for the winners of the best attendance this month, but those announcements will definitely be up in the attendance bulletin board. So, no tenemos el reporte de las clases que tuvieron la mejor asistencia para el mes de agosto, pero lo vamos a anunciar en el boletín de asistencia y vamos a celebrar a esas clases. So we will be celebrating those classes, and the winners of the weekly attendance raffle will be receiving their gifts today in class. And that's it for attendance. So students, please make sure that you are coming to school every single day if it's not for health reasons. And that's it. Have a great day. Have a great week, everybody.
Thank you, Ms. Gama. Thank you, everyone. Continue celebrating college awareness and Latinx Hispanic Heritage Month. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing everyone throughout the day.
And Miss Soriano, great job.
Thank you, boys and girls. Miss
Shout
Soriano.
out to Miss Soriano's class.
Thank you. All right, team. We'll see you around at 9 o'clock. Okay.
Sounds
Thank you. Bye.